products are displayed under Our World, Our Products. So the main primary products shown here are known as the parent products. If a product is a variant of another product, such as a different size, you will need to create a product and then add it to a parent product. We'll look at this later. In this video, we will show you how to create a product including the title, images, nutritional information and ingredients. So to add a new product, go to Content, Add Content and select Product. Enter the name of the product. Here you can use the registered trademark symbol for Nesquik. For the parent product field, to display the product as a single item, leave this field blank. So if left blank, the product will become a parent product and will be displayed individually on the main products page. Whereas if your product is a variant of an existing product, for example a different size, aka it's a child product, you can select the product that it will be displayed under. So just start typing and you will see the CMS will give you a list of products to choose from. You can then select the order in which you wish the product to appear under its parent. Choose the size of the product from the drop down and then select which type of product and the flavour. Enter the Buy Now or Fuse Pump ID, so this enables the Buy Now button and pop up for users to purchase the product. You can leave this field blank if you do not want the button to show. Now choose your product images. You can upload from your local files or select existing images from the media library. Here you can add up to 9 images to show different pack angles. If you have more than one image, it will be displayed in a carousel. If you wish to change the order the images are displayed, you can use the drag and drop functionality. So the image at the top will be displayed first. And to delete an image, you can just click Remove on the right hand side. If you wish to include video in the product's display, you can choose one from the video drop down. It's also possible to mark the product as vegan or kosher just by checking the checkbox. And ingredients are added by a free text field, so here you can format your text as required. So we're now going to look at the different ways of adding your nutritional information. So add your nutrition heading and then enter your nutrition summary text. Again, you can format your text as required using the WYSIWYG. So there are 2 different ways of adding the nutritional information. So firstly, we will look at how to add this manually. To add your nutritional information manually, just type in the field boxes. We can change the size of our table later. Please do note if you leave an entire row or column blank, it will not display in the final view. Add a table description. This will not be displayed anywhere but does help assistive technology such as screen readers identify the content. If you wish to change the structure of the table, click on Change Number of Rows and Columns and enter the appropriate numbers. Once you put the number of rows and columns in the table, just click Rebuild Table and you'll see that your table is rebuilt. You also have the option to change the row weights, and you can change the order of the rows by dragging and dropping to the required positioning. Alternatively, you can add your nutritional information via a CSV file. So in order to do this, click Upload CSV file and select the CSV from your local files. Once uploaded, you'll see that the information is pre-populated. Here, additional rows are added as they were contained within the files, but as these are blank, they will not display in the final view. Please also note that text with accents will not automatically import at the moment, and you will need to add these fields manually. Continue adding your product details such as the product description. Again, you can format this text using the WYSIWYG. So we give you the option to mark whether the product was created in the UK. And once you're ready, just click Save. And now we will preview your product. So we selected the cocoa powder as our parent product, so our new child product will sit underneath here. Click on the parent product, and when it opens you will see that our two child products, so our different variations, sit underneath. We selected for the 350 gram to show us first in the list. So clicking on this, you can see all of the product images in a carousel. You've got your fuse pump Buy Now. Then you've got your product description, your nutritional heading, followed by the nutritional summary and the nutritional table, and below that you've got your ingredients. And then underneath you've got your share button and other products you might like, which are automatically populated when you create a product. So as the product name contains the registered trademark symbol, you'll note that the CMS automatically adds an R to the URL. So we'll now look at how to remove this for SEO. So find your product within the CMS and under Operations click Edit, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and just go to the URL Path Settings menu. You'll see that the system automatically generates the URL, so to overwrite this, uncheck this box and then enter the URL alias you would like to use. So in this instance, all I'm going to do is just remove the additional R. And then click Save and you'll see that your URL has been changed.